Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,345. The ridgeline above town. Bulls need acceptance above this level before they start celebrating with expensive whiskey. Value area low, VAL, 7,317. The dusty corral floor, lose it, and the bears may stampede cattle straight through Main Street. Point of control, POC, 7,334. The busiest saloon in town, where the largest concentration of trading activity gathered. Current price, 7,339. Trading above POC, but still below VWAP, suggesting buyers have regained some footing, but haven't taken over the territory. VW, AAP, 7,349. The sheriff's office, reclaiming it would improve the bullish outlook considerably. Support zone, 7,317 to 7,334. VAL into POC. First line of defense for the bulls. Deeper support zone, 7,306 to 7,311. Recent session lows. If broken, the wagon may roll downhill quickly. Resistance zone, 7,345 to 7,349. VAH into VWAP. Sellers may be hiding behind the water trough, waiting to ambush rallies. Single prints / escape paths, lower, 7,306 to 7,311. A thin desert trail where price could move fast. Upper, 7,355 to 7,371. Lightly traveled territory that could trigger a sharp squeeze higher if breached. Market context. The market spent much of the recent session wandering through a broad trading range before staging a late session recovery. Price closed above PRC and near the upper portion of value, showing buyers fought back after an earlier sell-off. However, price remains below VWAP and the EMA near 7,349, suggesting the broader trend still favors caution. This feels less like a gold rush and more like two rival posses staring each other down across a dusty street. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD, breakdown. Early session activity showed aggressive selling pressure as price rotated toward 7,306. Buyers responded aggressively during the final several bars, lifting price from 7,312 to 7,339. Volume expanded noticeably during the rebound, suggesting short covering and fresh buying participation. Despite the bounce, overall structure still reflects prior distribution from higher levels around 7,360 to 7,370. Interpretation. CVD likely improved late in the session, but bulls still need acceptance above 7,345 to 7,349 to prove they are more than a temporary posse passing through town. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 7,317 to 7,334. Stop loss, 7,305. Below recent session. Lows and value support. Profit target, 7,345, then 7,355 to 7,371. Short trades. Entry zone, 7,345 to 7,349 on rejection or failed breakout. Stop loss, 7,360 or approximately 1 ATR above entry. Profit target, 7,334, then 7,317. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VAH. The bulls ride through the ridgeline at 7,345 and reclaim 7,349 VWAP. Setup. Long above 7,350. Stop 7,339. Target 7,360, then 7,371. Scenario B. Rejection at resistance. Sellers emerge from the saloon and defend 7,345 to 7,349. Setup. Short on rejection. Stop 7,360. Target 7,334, then 7,317. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. Bears kick open the corral gate below 7,317. Setup. Short below 7,317. Stop 7,330. Target 7,306. Then 7,290. Scenario D. Value area bounce. Price revisits 7,317 to 7,334 and finds willing buyers. Setup. Long near 7,320 to 7,325. Stop 7,305. Target 7,334, then 7,345. The tape currently resembles a Wild West standoff. The bulls have stepped into the street, but the bears still control the sheriff's office at 7349. The next duel likely determines whether this becomes a breakout ride or another trip back to the saloon. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.